I have done my gallbladder surgery by the Dr. Shoshin Mittal in Amrita Hospital, Faridabad. The staff of Amrita Hospital, Faridabad, well maintained and hospitable. Notably, Dr. Shoshin Mittal is a good doctor, general surgeon, laparoscopic surgeon. My gallstone or gallbladder removed by the robotic colosectomy, ROBCOL. Uh, the Dr. Sachin Mittal and his team well and very much hospitable. Uh, so till now I am so happy for my removing gallbladder, and totally, I am happy to Amrita Hospital, Faridabad, especially Dr. Shasin and his team, including Mr. Ataullah, medical guide. She very much support us. Thank you, Amrita.